Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
And the word for today comes from Jeremiah chapter 29 from verse 11. That's what we are reflecting on. Izwi lanamhlanje esizolibuka liqhamuka kuJeremiah chapter 29 kusukela ku verse 11. Lona lizwi uNkulunkulu alibekile enhlizweni yami ukuba asike silibukeni namhlanje. So Jeremiah chapter 29 from verse 11 reads like this. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and hope. I want to sit with the word, for I know. That's a beautiful word. In Hebrew, the word to know means yada. For I know. Ngiyazi. Khona lento ethandwa zami engifisa ukuqala ngayo engifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje kuseni akekho umuntu oyoke akwazi more than uNkulunkulu. Akekho umuntu oyoke akwazi more than your maker. No one will ever know me more than God. And I want you to write that down as a word. It's part of the word for today. No one will ever know me more than God. Akekho oyoke angazi adlule uNkulunkulu. No one will ever know me more than God. Akekho oyoke angazi adlule uNkulunkulu. And why uNkulunkulu elibeka lelizwe enhlizweni yami? It's quite interesting. Akekho oyoke angazi adlule uNkulunkulu. Akekho oyoke angijabulise adlule uNkulunkulu. Akekho oyoke ang-understande adlule uNkulunkulu. Akekho oyoke aqonde engiyikona, engikufisayo, engikudingayo adlule uNkulunkulu. St. Augustine says, our hearts are restless. Our hearts are restless. St. Paul says, our bodies yearn for God. Creation longs for God. Psalmist Psalm 42:43, as the deer that yearns for the running streams, so my soul is yearning for you, O God. One of the questions ekumele siyibuke empilweni zethu, why am I unfulfilled? Why am I lonely? Why am I longing for something more? Kungani kwesinye isikhathi abanye abantu bengakwazi ukungijabulisa? Kungani kwesinye isikhathi nezinye izinto only offer me temporary pleasure? Kungani in my heart there is a deeper yearning, deeper longing? Why in my heart there is this emptiness? It's because there is only one thing and only one person who can fulfill it. The word for today, no one will ever know me more than God. Akekho oyoke angazi adlule uNkulunkulu. And I feel ukuthi if I was to accept that word, if I was to sit with that word, if I was to reflect on that word, life will change. We are reflecting on Jeremiah chapter 29 from verse 11. And the word just for today that I want us to reflect on is, no one will ever know me more than God. Akekho oyoke angazi ukudlula uNkulunkulu. And once ithandwa zami we accept that, or once I accept that reality, once I know that reality, asikho isidingo sokuzonda abantu. Asikho isidingo sokuba frustrated and say, but people don't get me. People don't understand me. Asikho isidingo sokuba ngixabane nabantu ngithi mina kungani ungakwenzanga ukuthi. Asikho isidingo sokufuna i-pleasure, i-excitement, i-fulfillment, i-approval from anyone else because nabo abangazi. No one will ever know me more than God. Imagine if you believed and accepted that word. Akekho yokakwazi adlula uNkulunkulu. Ingakho namhlanje uthi for I know you, I know the plans that I have for you. Only God knows the plans. Mina, I come to know them as they happen. My neighbor, my family, my friends, my whoever, only come to know them as they are revealed. Uyedwa umuntu owaziyo icebo analo ngempilo yami. Uyedwa umuntu sithandwa sami oqonda konke ngawe. Uyedwa sithandwa sami umuntu othi mathiwa awukungilethela ifile kaSibanibani I-archive from memory athi ukhuluma ngoSibanibani unje. No, lokho enikwaziyo ngaye akulona iqiniso. Lokho abakushoyo akulona iqiniso. Lokho akwenzile, it's not who he or she is. Lo muntu unje wazi ngani? Because only I know the plans I have for him. Thandwa zami, let's take this deeper. If uNkulunkulu says, I know the plans for you, that means he knows the plans for your success. He knows the plans for your growth. He knows the plans for your healing. He knows the plans for every other thing that should and must happen kuwena. And kumina inginikeza intokozo enkulu. Angayifuni injabulo yami kwezinye izinto. Angayifuni injabulo yami kwabanye abantu. Angafuni ukuthi impilo yami icontrolwe kwenye indawo. Angafuni ukuthi impilo yami iphathwe kwenye indawo. Let me go to the archivist and let him archive for me and let him show me what is in the archives. And only one person has a key to the archives, that is God. Thando sami, ikhona into ekhathazayo. Ikhona into ekuhlukumeza umoya. Ikhona into ongayiqondi. Ikhona into ekukhalisayo. Asibuyeleni kuNkulunkulu. Asibuyeleni kuyena ngenjabulo. Asibuyeleni kuyena ngokuzithoba. Yabona, it makes sense in Matthew chapter 11 verse 28. Jesu ezothi, wozani kumina. Come to me, all of you who labor and are overburdened. It makes perfect sense. Why? Because he knows us. Ngoba uthi ngiyakwazi nje mina. It's like uNkulunkulu uthi mina, leyo moto iyakuhlupha, ibuyiswe ilethela. Leyo moto shouldn't be doing what it's doing. Ilethela in a factory fault. We will sort it out. Yithini sazi ungayisi komunye umakhenika. Ngoba ngeke azi lo makhenika ukuthi inkinga ikephi. Ingakho kwesinye isikhathi it fascinates me. If sathi imoto inenkinga, beyithatha beyifaka imshini beyixhuma, kube yibona through imshini yabo abadictateayo ukuthi what seems to be a problem and what should be a solution. ubezwe bethi ungayisi kwenye indawo. Ithine saziyo ukuthi lolu hlobo lwemoto, le model yemoto, mawukuthi inenkinga and siyazazi lezi inenkinga ukuthi siyazi le factory fault nje, ingakho ukuthi ibuyisene kuthini, ingakho they recall some models because they realize ukuthi no akekho omunye okwazi ukuyisolve le problem, only I can do that. NoNkulunkulu njalo ethandwa zami. And I want to say this. He says, I know the plans I have for you. Are you frustrated with your kids? Are you frustrated with umshado wakho? Are you frustrated ngomsebenzi wakho? Are you frustrated ngomakhelwane? Are you frustrated ngempilo? Uthi uNkulunkulu, I know the plans for you. Ngiyalazi icebo enginalo. But nawe ngiyakwazi. Yabona khona lento engiyithanda ngokuba umzali. Uma ungumzali, abantu bangakhuluma yonke into ngengane yakho, bangaxoxa yonke into ngengane yakho. Wena njengomzali uyamazi umntanakho, uyamazi meyenzile leyo nto, uyamazi mengayenzanga, uyamazi may right, uyamazi may wrong, uyamazi may phila, uyamazi may gula. NoNkulunkulu unjalo. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi ungashada nomuntu, nishere umbhede, nivuke ekseni uhambe emsebenzini, aye emsebenzini naye, endleleni abuye ezekhaya azoyilengisa ibulala, and you wonder ukuthi ayibo uSibanibani engane sivuke naye ekseni sabingelelana, good morning saqabulana, wahamba happy, only 2 akafikanga emsebenzini, ubuyile, mebuya sebhala inote usiyayibulala, and you soon realize ukuthi bengazi, bengitshela ukuthi ngiyazi, bengazi. And akutshela ukuthi I have not been happy for the longest time. Yabona ithandwa zami, sometimes impilo can hack us. Uthola ukuthi kunabantu who have not been happy for the longest time and yet asazi. Uthola ukuthi they have been frustrated for the longest time and asazi. Abanye basitshela ukuthi mfethu yazi I'm struggling la, yazi ukuthi la, and guess what we say? Ayibekezela ntwana yami, hayi kuzolunga, ayibekezela mfethu, hayi kuzodlula, hayi it's only time. Akekho umuntu osaziyo more than uNkulunkulu. And so I love that verse 11, for I know the plans I have for you. The other question, what are those plans that God has for me? Athini lamacebo uNkulunkulu anawo for mina? Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5. I knew you before you were born. I consecrated you. I set you apart. Ngakwazi mina ungakabi lutho. Ngakwazi mina ungakabi nalutho. Ngakwazi mina ungakaqanjwa nanegama. Ngakwazi mina ungakabi nabantwana. Ngakwazi mina ungakafundi. Ngakwazi mina ungakasebenzi. Ngasengikwazi. Yabona, one of the most beautiful things about ukuba umzali. Yabona umzali wayithanda ingane yakhe isasesibelethweni. Wayithanda ingane yakhe isamkhalela. Wayithanda ingane yakhe isamvusa ebusuku. Wayithanda ingane yakhe isamgijimise ibhedlela igula. Wayithanda ingane yakhe isancane igezi ingazazi nanokuthi ubani igama. Wayithanda ingane yakhe ingakakwazi ukukhuluma, isabhidilisha, ethi imidla inqaba ukudla ifunze ngenkana idlalisa. Wayithanda. And manje ngoba naku sengimdala, ngoba naku sengishadile, ngoba naku sengishadelwe, ngoba naku sengifundile, ngoba naku senginemuzi wami, sengithi umzali wami uyangizonda kanjani? Ngoba naku senginakho konke, sengithi umzali wami akangifuni, sengithi umzali wami uyangithakatha kanjani? Owayinethuba lokungibulala ngisesibelethweni, owayinethuba lokungishiya eqeda ukungizala, owayinethuba lokungidedela angishiye ngikhuliswe abanye yena yophila impilo yakhe kodwa wayewevuka nami. Yabona ithandwa zami, kwesinye isikhathi kumele sikwazi ukulimela iqiniso, singadideki isididiswa abantu. Yes, kuhle ukuzwana nabantu, kuhle ukuba sothandweni, kuhle ukwazi uyanakekelwa, kodwa ngiyacela ungasichameli isihlahla, ungashiye ekhaya ugaqaze isicapha, ungashiyi ekhaya ubadelelile. Ayikho into engiyisaba than inyembezi zomzali. Ayikho into engiyisaba than isiqalekiso somzali. Ayikho into engiyisaba than umzali methi awusibanibani uwe lona ongithuka kanjena, awusibanibani namhlanje mina nawe asabhekani, awusibanibani namhlanje mina nawe asakhulumisana. Ngiyisaba mina leyo nto. Kuzo zonke izinto ithandwa zami, I always say one thing. Noma ngathiwa wenzani umzali, noma ngadideka kanjani umzali, noma ngenza omnjalo umngalungiswa umzali, kodwa mbonga uNkulunkulu ngento eyodwa, wangizala. Wena Nkosi awulenzanga iphutha ngokuba ngizalwe. Wena Nkosi awulenzanga iphutha ngokuba ngibe umntwana wakho. Yes, maybe the situation has changed. Maybe things are different. Kodwa Nkosi wayethu khulu, noma ngathi umuntu kupho okubi akwenza kona, ungakhohlwa okuhle ake akwenzela khona. Let's move to verse 12. Then you will call upon me and come and pray to me, and I will hear you. Ngokuba niyakungibiza nikhuleke kimina nami ngiyakunizwa. Ngiyithanda leyo. You will call upon me and I will hear you. Uyongimemeza ngisabele. Uyabona ngihlezi ngithi mina uNkulunkulu ungumabizwa sabele. Uyongimemeza ngisabele. You will call upon me and I will come. You will pray and I will hear. You will seek and you will find me. With all your heart nizongithola. Khona lento ayishoyo in verse 12 and 13. You will call upon me. There is something so powerful ngoNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu akashiyi. uNkulunkulu akasinunuseli. uNkulunkulu never creates us and abandons the world. Khona leli culo ukuthi God is watching from a distance. God is watching. I don't believe that God watches us from a distance. I don't. I think God is Emmanuel. He is with us. He walks with us. He stays with us. Ingakho uDavide ethi noma ngidabula phansi kwethunzi lokufa angikwesaba okubi ngoba wena Nkosi unami. Even though I walk in the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you, O Lord, are with me. Thandwa zami, noma ngathuke phi njengamanje, mbiza uNkulunkulu, memeza uNkulunkulu, nxusa uNkulunkulu. Yabona khona isigaba esifikayo empilweni yami mina from time to time la kumele ngimmemeze khona uNkulunkulu. Khona inkonzo ebalekile kumina, inkonzo yokudlula kumuntu. Khona inkonzo ebalekile kumina ukuthi ngisafuna ukuyozendlala manje uNkulunkulu. Ngimmemeza umntaka Maria ngithi kwenze njani ukephi. Khona inkonzo ebalekile kumina. Uyayazi isithando sami inkonzo yokuyaluza. uyayazi inkonzo yokuba up and down egcekeni, uyayazi inkonzo yokuyaluza endlini, uyayazi inkonzo yokuyaluza ube nendumiso, ube nomhlabelelo ovukayo kuwena, baze bathi abantu kwenze njani namhlanje ekseni, wazivusa ngomhlabelelo ngaka, kwenze njani usibanibani walokho ehlela umhlabelelo ukuthi, kanti abazi abantu ukuthi khona lento uNkulunkulu ayivusile nayibekayo empilweni yakho, khona lento uNkulunkulu ayilungisayo. Uze umhlabeleli uthi inxaniwe inhliziyo yami, athi inxanela uThixo, athi inxaniwe, athi yamfuna, athi ewe wena, athi ngifuna yena, ngiyazi yena uzoyiqonda. Yabona ithando zami, khona izinto that only God can understand, khona izinto that only God can fulfill, khona izinto that are beyond human comprehension. Uthi sidalwe somuntu sengeke sayiqonda le level, ngeke sayiqonda lento eyenzeka la, bese ngithi mina phuma kumuntu salusa uhlala enkosini, ngoba umuntu ngeke ayiqonde lento eyenzakalana. Khona ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu athi mina ngedwa ozozenza lezi zinto. And so there's something so powerful that he says to me, that you will seek me and you will find me, you will call upon me and I will hear you. Bengifuna ukukunika leli themba lokuthi uNkulunkulu memezeni. Khona lenkonzo eyenziwa uNkulunkulu uma eyobheka uAdam in Genesis chapter 3, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu verse 8, uNkulunkulu wayevama ukuthi ahambe maselipholile ilanga ayobheka uAdam ensimini. Ngiyayithanda leyo nkonzo, ngithanda le part ethi wayevama ukuthi maselipholile ilanga ayensimini. And so Adam no Eva babazi ukuthi ngokuphola kwelanga izulu lihlangana kanye nabo. And uNkulunkulu meqhamuka uyamemeza uthi Adam, Adam, athukephi na? For the first time uAdam yomcashela uNkulunkulu. That's the most painful thing. For the first time ever in history, uNkulunkulu mememeza isidalwa sakhe siyambalekela. Athi uNkulunkulu, Adam, athi inkosi ngizwe izwi lakho ngesaba ngayocasha. And ngicela us to reverse that. Ingakho ethi ngimemezeni ngiza kusabela. Yazi ngathi uNkulunkulu ufuna ungitshela ukuthi ngicela ukulungisa iphuthe lenziwe uAdam engathi ngimemeza wasaba. Ngicela ke nami ningimemeze nibone ngeke ngisaba. Usho njalo encwadini kaMalaki uthi yindaba ningangifuni, yindaba ningangihloli, yindaba ningangithesti, nibone ukuthi ngeke ningwavula amafasitela ezulu. Ngiyakithi mina ithandwa zami, izinto noma kuthiwa sezenzeka kangakanani, yindaba ungamlingi uNkulunkulu. Yindaba uNkulunkulu ungasho ukuthi ezwini lakho uthe asikumemeze wathi uzosizwa. Indaba ungamlingi uNkulunkulu emkhulekeni wakho, uthi namhlanje ekseni ngiza kuwena ngoba uthe kuwena manje ekseni ngezwi lenceku yakho, uthe wena uyalazi icebo nalo ngami, wena uthe uyakwazi ngikhuleke uzongizwa, angikumemeza uzoba seduze. Indaba singamlingi uNkulunkulu, indaba singamthathi at his word and say kanti inkosi ubudlalana. Phela mina I have no time for jokes. Kanti wena nkosi ubuthini asisho nje noma ubusho because you meant it. And I want to say, go back to the word of today. No one will ever know me more than God. Akekho umuntu oyokangazi adlula uNkulunkulu. We are reflecting on Jeremiah chapter 29 from verse 11. In verse 12 and 13, uthi invite me, I will come. Pray to me, I will listen. Ask for me, I will be there. Sondelani ngizoba nani. Ngiyayithanda lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu akushilo ezwini lakhe uzokwenza. uNkulunkulu akuthembisile kuzokwenzeka. Because his word is final. Verse 14. I love it. I will be found by you, declares the Lord, and I will restore your fortunes and gather you from all the nations and all the places where I have driven you, declares the Lord, and I will bring you back to the place from which I sent you into exile. Ngiyakufunyanwa yinina, usho uJehova. Ngibuyise ukuthunjwa kwenu, nginibuthe ezizweni zonke nasey'ndaweni zonke lapho nginixoshele khona, usho uJehova. Nginibuyisele endaweni enganenza ukuba nithunjwe kuyona. Yabona kumina kuvuka le concept, a very powerful one, ethi uNkulunkulu uza kungibuyisela konke okudliwe isikhonyana. uNkulunkulu uza kungibuyisela konke okudliwe isikhonyana. Thando sami, nginalento engifuna ukisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uza kuyibuyisa impilo yami. Khona omunye umuntu empilweni feels as if they've been robbed of life. Khona omunye umuntu empilweni izinto zakhe bukeke ngathi kade zavalwa. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena, mina ngiyamazi uNkulunkulu. Yabona uNkulunkulu angakubuka nje ungasebenzi for years, athi bese kubuyisa, akubuyisele emsebenzini owukade usawuyeka, uyosebenza la wena owawitshela ukuthi ngeke usaphinde ubuyele khona. Uphinde uyosebenza nabantu owabashiya. Maqedana uNkulunkulu enza imangaliso ngawo. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje kuseni, uNkulunkulu will restore for you that which you need for yourself. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje kuseni ungadikibali, uzokubuyisela konke. Khona le belief enginayo engihlezi ngisho, I am claiming back what they said I will never get. I am claiming back what no one else promised me to get. I am claiming back what they stole from me. Thandwa zami, uNkulunkulu uyabuyiselana. Yonke lento abayintshontshile, uNkulunkulu uzoyibuyisa. Yonke lento abayithathile, uNkulunkulu uzoyibuyisa isi-better version. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi mina ngibuye ngihlale ngijule kancane nale ndoda le enhlizweni yami. Khona esinye isikhathi la izinto zikunyamalalela khona, uphucwa zona. Yes, kwesinye isikhathi mhlawumbe ubudedengu bami, kodwa futhi kwesinye isikhathi ngeke ngimbonge uNkulunkulu ngithi mina, uyazi inkosi ukube ngaqhubeka ngahlala lapha, now in looking back I will have lost myself, I will have lost my life, ngangiyolimaza abantu abaningi. Yes, kwakubuhlungu ngisuswa, kwakubuhlungu ngiphucwa, kwakubuhlungu when I had to walk away, but I am glad ngaphucwa leyanto, because I now realize baningi abantu engangiyobalimaza, and uNkulunkulu uma sengibuyisela kuyona, I'm older, I'm matured, and I'm spiritually capable of handling it. Khona ibusisa uNkulunkulu azosibuyisela kuzona manje, ngoba ngalesa sikhathi sasisebancane, sasingaqondi, sasolimaza abantu abaningi. And ngifuna ukuthi kuwena uNkulunkulu wethu uzokubuyisela. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena sithandwa sami, uNkulunkulu wethu uzokwenzela. Anginendaba ukuthi uSathane uthini, anginendaba ukuthi isidalwa esiwumuntu sithini. Ngifuna mina umazi uNkulunkulu kaJobe ukuthi uyaphila. Athi ngizokubuyisela konke okudliwe isikhonyana. Athi kuJobe 42 verse 2 athi bheka ngiyalazi icebo likaNkulunkulu lingevinjwe futhi lingeshintsha umuntu. Uyabona ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe when you are about to give up, when you say hey awungiyeka ngcobo nalezi zinto zenu ayikho yonke lento. Ngifuna ukutshela mina, not because ngazi kakhulu but because ngimbonile. And ayikho lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhethe iphele emasini. No. Uthi namhlanje mbize uzolalela. Uthi namhlanje khulumani nibone ngeke ningizenze imangaliso. Uthi mina ngiyakwazi and akekho omunye umuntu oyakwazi ngaphandle kwami. Engikucelayo mina asibuyeleni kuJehova. Asiyeni kuyena okuyena wazi konke ngeimpilo zethu. Sibusiseke Jehova namandla, sibusiseke enzulu emfihlakalo ngegama likaYise neNdodana nomoya ocebileyo. Amen.